Banwanra ya kicing kelut haki patong. Kamtam hakum kani kapur bakadan kicing ma jong kicing sapriang ujing pang coronavirus ladadan kicing kapnya na kicing yalum priu kicing syari bah klik du jong kari India kalapan mi ru ya ka hukum ka bakerke ya baro ki jella jong kari kani ka hukum kalong ban pelat jamin no ya ki koidi ki ba ka mukot duma kam da khya palan persya ya ki bat pelat no ru ya ki tu ki bala syak rai penrem ban ka ba kicing pencitom set patok ya ki kasa tang kendiat por. Hakane ke jela Meghalaya ki patok kidon hendriu teli baro kata Hasilong, Tura, William Nagar, Jowai, Bat Hanong po. Ladang ia keren tang Hasilong District Jail kat kumbala sandur ya ka nabasdang hang nia la ban set tang shispa lai pausan ngut ki koidi shenrang kat san ngut ki kentai bat arpo ngut ki bahap hapo ka high security. Henrai kumba kalong menta lada ken kelum lang baro ke jingdon ki koidi la set hangni hadu san spa san pau khandai ngun kumta da ka babut unti ru ya ka hukum jong ka Supreme Court hakane ke jalaru la thau ya ka High Power Committee ka bala khle do Executive Chairman jong ka Meghalaya Legal Services Authority u Justice HS thank you ban bisyar ki koidi ban pelat jamin no ringkat ki kendon bat ban bisyaru ya ki koidi ki bala syarai penrem set patok ban bisyar ki jinglong jingban jong ki hakapor baki syak set patok bat ada sa satang kandiat benai ban pendap ya ka jing set patok en pelait no. Hadian bak High Power Committee kala syong bisyar hakane katayo la pelait jamin no ya ki khandai pau sau ngut ki koidi ki bahap hapo ka under trial prisoner bat prangut ki khna ki ba sat set na ka jing tengku ki kam bakla jong ki bat ka an.
Honorable Executive Chairman of the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority had taken up the matter with the state government for constitution of the High Power Committee in compliance with the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. The Government of Meghalaya, via notification dated 27 March 2020, was pleased to constitute High Power Committee with Honorable Executive Chairman of the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority, that is Honorable Mr. Justice H.S. Thank you, as the Chairman of the committee with two members consisting of the Principal Secretary Home and the Inspector General of Prison. The High Power Committee will determine which class of prisoners can be released on bail, interim bail, parole, as for a period it may think fit and proper. This is the function of the High Power Committee. The High Power Committee has been constituted by the state. Now, the committee sat today, that is on today in the High Court. And in this committee, we found that there are some other stakeholders, like the Social Welfare Department, the Health Department. So the Secretary of the Health and the Director of the Social Welfare Department, they were also invited in this High Power Committee as an invitee guest. So the issue of, deciding the class of persons who can be released on bail, on interim bail, on parole, so these matters were taken up today by the High Power Committee. Now we find that pursuant to the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, there were 94 UTPs released from the district jail, Shillong, today, and 8 children in conflict with law from the juvenile homes,